Go home happy with the 2013 Ford Edge. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This stylish, versatile Edge delivers comfort, confidence, and capability. Its spacious, refined cabin, smart tech, sophisticated style, and many convenience features make it ideal for everything from the daily commute to epic family road trips. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, chrome wheels, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate, remote engine start, backup camera, premium sound system. Feel relaxed and confident when you're behind the wheel of the Edge. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.